And definitely the copies will be available to us by today. As soon we get the copies of the orders, we will prepare for appeal. And definitely we are going to file an appeal, and we have faith in the judiciary system.
Sir, what you have argued in the High Court?
See, as the case is still subjudized and the matter has to be argued again in Supreme Court of India, I can't disclose what was our point of our argument today, as we have to state in the Supreme Court also. So, as far as the Honorable Court has just stated that our appeal has been dismissed, and the copies will be available to us today, and after getting the copies, we will definitely prepare and file an appeal in the Supreme Court. And this is for today. Now we can disclose this itself, and not more than that, because we didn't got the copies, and as soon as the copies are received by us, we can have some more scope of what the court has
Sir,
stated.
any considerations from your clients?
No. See, considerations means the
Have
court.
they appealed anything before the NIA court last time?
No. See, NIA court has confirmed court has sentenced the accused, and we filed appeal against the orders of the NIA court. Thereafter, this Honorable Court has confirmed the orders of the NIA court.
Sir, what are the main points you have argued that they have
See,
not linked with this incident?
No. See, what I am saying is, we have to again go for appeal in the Supreme Court of India, and what the points we have argued in this case can't be disclosed here, because we have to again argue the same points in the Supreme Court. So the matter is still subjudized. So I am at this point I can't disclose what were the points we argued upon, and what was our points which were in favor of us, and what court the Honorable Court has considered and what have not have considered will be only.
But death sentence confirmed by the High Court.
Yes, death confirmed. See, NIA has argued their case. NIA has prepared their case, and they argued their case. So, in defense, whatever we can bring, we have brought before the Honorable Court.
All accused are in Cherlapalli right now?
No. Some of the accused are in away. So,
How many are in Cherlapalli right now, sir? Yasin
Cherlapalli,
Bhattalar?
one,
Only Yasin
yes.
Bhattalar.
And Ejaz Sheikh is also there. Tihar jail, one accused is there.
Okay.
Other three accused?
No, I am concerned about accused number 6, who is presently lodged in Cherlapalli jail.
Ajaz.
Ejaz Sheikh.
Okay.
Hello,
Sir, did they say anything about A1 Riyaz Bakhtar? Did they
No,
mention anything about still he is in
See.
absconding?
The court has not read out any part of the judgment. They have just confirmed, they stated it, they have just confirmed the orders of the lower court.
Thank you.
సార్ మీరు ప్రధానంగా ఎవరి తరఫున వాదన
Accused number 6, Ejaz Sheikh.
ఎప్పుడు అంటే మీరు
మీ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఏంటి సార్?
See, I have already stated that I can't state what was my argument, because we have to again submit before the Supreme Court of India.
ఏమని అప్పీల్ చేశారు అసలు ఇక్కడ?
Whatever the orders passed by the NIA court, the NIA has not able to prove it beyond reasonable doubt. That was our question. That was our portion of argument.
ఓకే, ఎన్ఐఏ ఒక డెత్ సెంటెన్సే కాకుండా ఇంకా వేరే దానికి సంబంధించి విధించినట్టుంది కదా?
Yes.
ఎన్ఐఏ ఓన్లీ డెత్ సెంటెన్సే కాకుండా డిఫరెంట్ కేసెస్ సంబంధించి డిఫరెంట్ తీర్పులు అందులో వేరే సెక్షన్స్ కూడా ఉన్నట్టుంది కదా, అవన్నీ అప్పీల్ చేశారు.
Yes, I have appealed everything.
అంటే కోర్టు ఏ అంశాలను పరిగణలోకి తీసుకొని కింది కోర్టు తీర్పును ఖరారు చేసిందంటారు మీరు ఏం భావిస్తున్నారు?
No.
ఎన్ఐఏ ఇచ్చిన తీర్పును ఈ కోర్టు సమర్థించింది కదా, మీరు ఏ అంశాలను పరిగణలోకి తీసుకొని
See, whatever our points, whatever our arguments, still because we have to go for appeal in the Supreme Court. For that reason, I can't disclose. That is my problem, because
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఒక A6 తరఫునే సుప్రీం కోర్టుకి
Yes.
వెళ్తారా లేకపోతే ఏంది? మిగతా
we are concerned about our accused. Others will also definitely go. There is no scope.
ఎప్పుడు వెళ్ళే అవకాశం ఉంది?
It will take 1 or 2 months for preparation.
ఓకే, ఈ తీర్పు పట్ల మీరేం చెప్తున్నారు?
See, we have faith in the justice system of India. Definitely, we'll expect that Supreme Court will definitely hear our appeal and pass some consideration to us.